Hi guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for hanging around. I haven't been posting for a lot of issues, but I'll soon be posting back on my routine. I just need to get myself back. But before that, you guys know I've been posting like a series of unboxing videos for safety shoes. So this company reached out to me on Instagram and told me to unbox some shoes for you guys and test it and let you guys know how it is. They called so fast. At this point, I'm just gonna open the box so that you guys can see the company name because I can't pronounce it. But I'm going to be linking the link in the bio down below. So the reason why I actually was interested in working in this company is because most of the shoes I've been getting are like boots, steel-toed boots, and I wanted to go for like more of sneaker vibes, low-top shoes. So I'm like, okay, let me try something new, and they're actually very, very affordable. So click the link down below if you want to get some of the shoes. By the way, let's really browse the selection. So the ones I actually wanted to get are these ones, because I think they're so awesome. Like, this is actually steel toed and it's beautiful, but they didn't have it in my size, so I had to go for this one, which is the one that we're unboxing today. But when you guys have the time, just go through these options right here. And by the way, here's my cat. His name is Zuko. I haven't introduced yet. Say hi, Zuko. Hi. Okay, so now we unbox the shoe. Let me go get it. So I kind of opened it because I forgot I was getting shoes, but I didn't open the shoe itself. So that's I'll be putting it in this video. Can't speak English. Zuko, do you want to see my new shoes? Okay, so this is what I was trying to tell you. Tosa FZXY. First of all, it comes this like little portable box. This is what I'm supposed to look like. Anti-punch material, blah blah blah, comfortable inside, breathable. Actually got the ones I had net, so definitely it's breathable. So let me actually open this and see what it looks like. Came with extra soles or the actual soles. This don't look like steel though, but then I can see this. Oh, you guys can actually see it too, like the silver, that's the steel toe part of it. I like this yellow part of it. It just looks like regular sneakers and it's not heavy, and it looks like regular shoes. Okay, I think this might be my new best shoes for work, and it's totally breathable. Can you guys see this whole neck thing? You know what, let me just tuck in and actually wear the shoes and see. So these are actually extra soles and they're actually by the same company. I'll go ahead and put these extra soles inside because I want to look taller since I'm 5'4". Oh, these are actually so comfy and breathable and so lightweight. Like, I don't even feel like I'm wearing shoes right now. They actually feel non-existent on my feet, and as soon as I just wore them, my legs, they're breathing. My legs, they're breathing. Like, no, these are actually super nice for steel-toed shoes. These are so comfortable. Like, I can't even feel the steel-toedness in front. Okay, these are actually my new best everyday shoes. I mean, I'll still exchange my other ones, but these ones are going to be my new everyday shoes. I actually love it. I love the yellow detail right here. These are nice, I wouldn't lie. These are really nice, and the material it's so comfortable. And it's so light. That's what I love about it. The fact that it's light and comfortable and kind of trendy at the same time. This is really nice. Thank you so much for these shoes. I really, really love them. So I'm not going to end the video here. I'm going to wear it to work for the next 2 days, let you guys know how it feels, because the thing with shoes is I might feel comfortable wearing it now. When I wear it to work, it's like not comfortable. So I'll let you guys know how it feels so you guys can purchase it from them. Okay, so I wore the shoes to work today and I received a lot of compliments. Like, just look at these babies, they're so cute. Everybody was asking me where I got my shoes from. I'm just saying, and they're so comfy. Okay, so this is going to be the first day review. Comfy, very, very, very comfy. I'm in love with them. Okay, so I just got back from work and it's my second day wearing the shoes. I absolutely love them. Today, even more people gave me compliments. And then I took pictures because, I was feeling like a fine person. I mean, everybody noticed because I'm a boot person. I'm always wearing boots. But this one time, I didn't wear boots and actually wore shoes that actually boots make sense. But like, how do I put this? I love boots, don't get me wrong, I love boots. But like, this was just something different for me, and I actually really, really like these shoes. As a matter of fact, my sister stole it this morning when I was trying to go to work. Then I took it off her because, But you guys should actually really check the website out. Remember, the link is in the bio. By the way, I'm just going to include some pictures I took because, why not? Okay, so 3 reasons I love this shoe is because first of all, nobody can ever tell the steel-toed, because everybody knows me with a particular set of shoes at work, right? It's either I'm wearing Timberlands or Docs or basically boots. Like, I don't wear regular things to work. I only wear boots. So everybody's like, oh, nice shoes, they're really nice for a change. I'm like, yes, and they're steel-toed. And they're like, no way. And then I show them, okay, that's the silver part that has steel-toe. And they're like, oh, by the way, I'm still wearing these shoes, guys. Let's go back from work. So I show them the silver part. You see how it's shiny right here, right? Yeah. So I show them the silver part. I'm like, that's the silver part. It's steel-toed. They're like, wow, no way. And they're like, is it heavy? That's the second thing I like about it. It's not heavy at all. It really feels like a feather. Like, why am I excited about these shoes? And to think that actually wasn't really excited about getting it initially, because the ones I wanted were sold out, as I told you guys before. But this shoe is very, very lightweight. Like, you won't even feel that you're wearing steel-toed shoes. And then it's breathable. Like, your legs wouldn't sweat because it's nets or whatever this fabric is, mesh. So like, it's breathable, and then there's space, and it's just really, really nice. I absolutely love the shoes. And it's trendy, the style, the fit, and it fits perfect. I'm size 7 and I ordered size 7, and it's exactly size 7. Doesn't fit too small, doesn't fit too large. It is perfect. I think I mentioned 3 things I like, right? Actually, I like everything about the shoe. At this point, I do not hate anything about the shoe. I said at this point because shoes have their own mind. But at this point, I don't hate anything about the shoes. I absolutely love the shoes. Anywho, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.